Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. Let's assume your first time in Astana and you are not familiar with all new buildings and showplaces. Now we can help you to choose restaurants, museums and hotels. Our mobile application iAstana will help you to get virtual guide, which means by walking in the city you can browse showplaces and buildings around you. As a tourist, it will help you to save your time and you will find nearest restaurants and hotels. Let's have a small demonstration. So, let's start with our mobile application. Mobile application activates its camera and GPS coordinates and it will receive data around you. So by browsing you can see all places around you. Let's tap on the Bayterek. So here you can see some pictures about Bayterek and get some description, some contact numbers, website and fan pages. Also, mobile application supports in 3 modes. It's live, list and map version of the application. Mobile application will be available on Android, iOS, Windows Mobile by supporting Kazakh, Russian and English languages. So, ladies and gentlemen, we believe that this market has a big potential because Astana is a growing city. Astana every year hosts many international events and also in 2017 we are expecting around 5 million tourists for the Expo 2017. So please support us. Thank you very much.